Folks, welcome to our garage. I'm Peter, this is Giorgio, my business partner, my friend.
Hello guys.
The idea we want to put in front of you today is literally only about one simple thing, and that is the intercorrelation between Web3, specifically smart contracts, and on-chaining the kilowatt hour of a renewable energy plant. Giorgio and myself have a vast amount of experience in financing and building renewable energy plants. And what we've figured out over the last couple of years is that there is a common chasm across the entire value chain of a renewable energy project, from financing the project to deploying the capital to transacting, selling and paying for the kilowatt hour. And we think that that is a perfect use case for what we understand about blockchain, and we want the opportunity to talk to you about it.
And if you want to know a little bit more about our idea, on the website section of the application, our website is not up and running yet, so we are working on it. So what we have done instead is we've uploaded a white paper that we've produced 2 months ago, and that should give you a good idea of what we're about. Now, I think, Pete, maybe we should just introduce each other.
Indeed.
Okay.
You want to go first?
I'll go first. Okay, so I've known Peter for a long time. Peter Oldacre, a 56-year-old. He's a very experienced project development executive. And Peter, how can I describe you? Risk taker, entrepreneurial, with various successful exits. Peter has been fascinated by Web3, like me. You know, use cases, business cases, the smart contracting side as well. Peter's got 20 plus years experience in finance, renewable energy, and for me, most than anything, Peter is straightforward, honest, and reliable.
Well, I can't do better than that as an introduction, but suffice to say that the very first person that I thought about when this idea was floating around in my head as a very basic idea was Giorgio. And that's because I understood that he has an absolute fixation on artificial intelligence and IT and the way that these things can be put together to influence a business case, and in fact how it's going to influence society. So Giorgio is 60 years old, 30 years of experience in 3 sectors on the main: fast-moving consumer goods, which makes it interesting because we think we're building a widget. Secondly, like myself, in renewable energy, and importantly for where we see one of the gaps in how Web3 is not being deployed, is Giorgio has an extraordinary amount of experience in renewable energy construction.
I think that's it. Can I add, we are citizens of the world.
Indeed.
South African, Italian, with a passion for South Africa, having lived there for 20 years. Peter lives in Austria, we've lived everywhere, and we intend this business to be global.
There we go. Thank you very much.
Thank you.